Hilton Istanbul Bomonti Hotel and Conference Center is the largest five-star hotel and conference center of Istanbul. With its 829 guest rooms, including 85 suites and event space of 12,000 square meters. Featuring an elegant decor with luxurious furnishings, all the guest rooms of Hilton Istanbul Bomonti offer floor-to-ceiling windows with spectacular panoramic views of the city and Bosphorus. The hotel offers an unparalleled option for major conferences and events with more than 30 function rooms, 2 ballrooms, and total capacity to host up to 6,350 guests at one time. The Grand Ballroom is the largest pillar-free ballroom in the city, with 2,371 square meter space, offers private entrance, large foyer spaces, as well as a spacious loading zone, enabling 2 vans to be entered at the same time. Enjoy the signature taste at the Globe Restaurant, featuring an open kitchen with live cooking zones. Take in the breathtaking panoramic views at our rooftop bar, Cloud 34. And enjoy a wide selection of sushi and Asian cuisine. Relax and leave your stress behind at Upora Spa, the largest in Europe, offering luxurious treatments as well as its indoor and outdoor pools, Turkish hammams, and spacious fitness center. Travel with purpose is our commitment to sustainable travel and tourism. For 2019, our annual goals to reduce our footprint are to reduce energy use by 2.5%, water use by 3.0%, we are collaborating with Turkey Down Syndrome Charity, and we proudly employ 3 people with Down syndrome at our hotel. The passionate team of Hilton Istanbul Bomonti is looking forward to welcome you.